Hello everyone, I am going to do the second experiment of the web technology lab. I will show you the question. I have to design a website using HTML5 and form elements and HTML5 media elements. The elements I have to use mainly are division, that is a container, paragraph elements, heading elements, image, anchor, table, all these are tags like elements and can be used using the tags. Now I will show you the output of the second experiment. The second one. This is the output, like there is this audio is running in background, so I have used an autoplay here. This is a paragraph, this is a heading, this is the image I have attached, this is the video I have attached to this. This is a YouTube video that I have attached directly from YouTube, like using the iframe tag. This is for search. These are links, hyperlinks, and then this is a Google map attached to it, and this is for contact section. Using the input fields, like this is mail link and this is telephone link. This will work in mobile, and this, if you have any mailing application, you can do it. This is sign up field set. So I'll show you the code. This is for the first page. Like I have given the title as Experiment-2. Title you can see it here. It is here. And for body I have given the border thickness is 5 pixel and it is solid black. The background color is orange, and these are all CSS properties. I have used the inline style property over here. Then I made a division which I have aligned to center using the align attribute. Then I have used a table to align these divisions. Each one is a division, and to align it in this form I have used a table. This is one row, this is a second row, this is a third row, and all these are each cell of the table. So this is the first division. Like this is for for aligning this I have used another table. This is this is the image attached, and this is the heading. I have given the font size is 10, and I have entered the table over here. TR is for table row and TD is for the table cell. So we get the aligned heading and the image. I have given the border also, as you can see. Then we will go to the hyperlinks. Using the anchor tag I have given the hyperlink, and this and NBSP or and EMSP. This is used to give space statically. If you want to give space, then you can give that, or else you can mainly we use this thing. Then for other hyperlinks also I have used the anchor tag and given the text here, as you can see. Link 1, link 2 and link 3. Link 3, link 2, and this academic calendar. Sorry, this I didn't expect this. Sorry. Yeah, now it's okay. Now HR tag is used for drawing a line in the website, the page, and input type is equal to search, gives us a search button over here. Sorry, not the search button, search text field. And I've used a form method so that you can post it to the server. Display is inline, and yeah, this is action. This is where it goes. So like again I've made a division, then use table to align this. I've attached a video using the video tag. I've given the source, this file, which is found over here, v1.mp4. And cell spacing can be used to give space between two cells, and width I have given as 100%. TR is used for making a row in a table. TD is used for making a cell in a table. Then I have made a paragraph. I have aligned this heading, welcome to my page, using the align property. I have used the iframe tag to attach the YouTube page to this web page. This iframe is mainly used to attach a web page inside another web page. Then I have made another row. I have given column span, and then I have attached the audio file using the audio tag. Controls is like, these are the controls. Sorry, yeah, for the audio tag these are the controls. For giving this controls, you can use the controls attribute, and autoplay is like as soon as you open the web page, it will automatically start playing. And again I have given for the sign up field set, I have created another table for alignment purpose. HR is for drawing a line. Then this legend is for giving the heading to the field set. I've also username using the input field, text field. We can get the username from the user, and password to make it invisible. To make it invisible, I've used a password over here instead of text, so that it is secure. The password is secure. It is not visible actually. So a submit button is made using the input tag, and the field set is closed. And then contact session is here, this contact paragraph. Mail, you can give anchor tag for this, like for mail link and telephone link. This telephone link will actually work in mobiles. Mail link you can give it if you have a mail application. Iframe tag again to attach a website inside a web page inside another website or web page. Yeah, then I have used BR tags for skipping 2 lines as a footer. Now I'll show you the next page. Let me just sign up let me give some random, like if I want to sign up, register. This is opening another page. This is details page where the user can sign up, like by giving the details over here. So let us see the code. This is details.html. I have given the title as details. Yes, you can see here details. And border I have made a field set. All this I have embedded inside a form so that I can post it to the server. First name, and then I have used a table again over here to align these. Input tag is used to get the text from the user input, that is a text field, to make a text field. Again a text field. Then for radio button we use type is equal to radio. Again I have created 2 radio buttons for male and female options. Date of birth, I have given the type as date. Like there are many types of values you can give to this type. If I give type number, as you can see, type number, where is it? Yeah, age I have given type number. See, you can increase it like this, or you can just type it. If I give type as number, then you get these arrows. Then telephone number also I can give tel attribute, so that when you open this website in a mobile, only the numbers, you can dial only numbers, no character keypad will be usable. Then email, I can give email. Then I made a progress bar using the progress tag, and this you can just skip it, this is not needed now. Then again I've used a field set and a table to align these things. I've given the min and max so that the limit is there. User can't go below this 0 or go above this 100. I'll show you the example. See, like if I go sorry, answer. I'll just check the error. Sorry, I have given it yeah, there was a minor issue with the browser and NetBeans. Actually, I had opened a different file, that's it. Now you can see the 70, from 70 to 100, it doesn't go beyond 100 because I have given the minimum and maximum value. Then similarly I have done for the rest of these. Now for uploading your resume or any file, you can give type is equal to file, and for attaching a progress bar, you can use this progress tag. You can give the maximum or minimum value and maximum value also you can give, and this value attribute you can see 20 and maximum is 100. Minimum value I have given as 20. Like if I give it 30 and then save, you can just a minute. Because that value 30 goes over here, but here it's not getting changed, that's it. See, it has changed over here, 30%. This choose file, I can choose a file and then upload it. This is a text area and this is a legend. This is a checkbox, as you can see, like there's already ticked. This is a drop down list. This is for date. I can, date picker is there. Date picker dialog actually, yeah, date picker. And submit button, after you enter your details you can submit. It won't submit now because I have to fill each and every thing. I'll like
That's it.
Submit. You guys have given the telephone number wrong. If you give everything correctly, it will submit. If I reset it, everything will get cleared, and if I cancel it, it will go to the previous page. See, the audio is out of frame. Now I will show you the uploaded file and 000 of course. the webtech lab 2. Yeah, this is the uploaded file. Thank you.